Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video I'm gonna show you how you can freeze a frame on your video using CapCut apps. Alright, so you can tap on your project and select your video that you want to edit, but I'm going to open my project, so I already have one video here. So I'm going to make the freeze frame in this part, so just select the part that you want to freeze. Okay, just click on the clip and swipe to the right at the bottom until you find the freeze. Just click on it, and as you can see, the freeze frame is up here, and I'm going to make it black and white color. Just going to filters and select the PW and just click check mark, and I'm going to adjust for the speed. Okay, I'm going to be faster, and it's also, so as you can see, this is the final result like this. Okay, that's it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.